loves, welcome back to my channel. And in this video it's all about spring, and it's a collaboration with a host of fabulous women. It's hosted by Catherine over at Amateur Decorating Like a Pro, and I was invited by her friend Kimberly Davis. Thanks, Kimberly. Today I'm going to share with you my outdoor living space lookbook, and I just gave it a little refresh from the winter and all the debris. So I'm just going to take you through how I cleaned up the space, picked up a few new things, some greenery that you may see in the background, just to give this space a little cozy vibe. So let's get started. Let me take you on this journey of how I put this space together just in time to enjoy the spring weather. I'm going to be giving my front porch a spring refresh, and I have this really large tree in the front, so of course I'm going to just get rid of all of the debris from the branches all winter long and just clean it down and wipe the furniture down. Now that everything's clean, I just want to do a little shopping around to see what I want to do. And my first stop was Home Depot, and I found these potted plants and I wanted to add these to the porch. So now that I'm back, I'm bringing everything all together. The cushions from the storage, and I added this little jute style rug that I got from IKEA, and the black cushions are from At Home, and I purchased them at the end of the summer last year. So I'm just bringing them back out and just adding that with the new pieces that I picked up. This corner area is where I'm going to house the plant that I purchased, and I found this gold pot stand at Ross, and it fits so perfectly right here in this corner. A good friend had given me this bowl, and I had it like a year or two ago, and so I just shot my house and put this on the little coffee table area and just added these little ornaments inside. I added just a simple little touch by adding some sea moss over top of the plants just to seal it off a little bit to give it a finished look. For the side table, I just wanted to place something out here when the hubs and I are sitting out here, and he loves to smoke his cigars out here, so I just created a little station for himself, added some citronella oils, and also just succulents. These pools were all my husband's idea. I had no idea he was purchasing these when he learned I was doing this collaboration, and they came just in time of filming, so they added a little touch to the porch for extra seating. You create a lounging area and not have a place to have some snacks and some drinks. I found this tray at Ross, and it was a brown color a couple years back, and I never really utilized it in my spaces. So of course this year it got a fresh coat of paint, and I made it black to mimic everything else that's going on the porch. And I just added some refreshing drinks, and these glasses are the non-breakable glasses, which are perfect for outside. And I just brought in some jams and some breads just to chill out and lounge. This is our final look of our porch. This spring makeover was definitely much needed as the spring weather is warming up. Literally, this is where the hubs and I hang out every evening, like two old married couple just hanging out here, just catching up. So I'm going to enjoy this space, and I hope you enjoyed it also. Okay, loves, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got some inspiration to jumpstart your spring refresh. Don't forget to go and check out all the other ladies in this Dream Team collaboration and share some love with them. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more inspiration coming this spring and summer. And if you're not following me over on IG, please go over to Msmeikostyle and share some love, and I'm sharing behind the scenes of even videos to come and other projects. So until next time, bye lovelies.